Hello, good evening. My name is Joshua Christian Hirmawan. I would like to tell you about Dandangan and Bukaluwur. Dandangan is a festival held in Kudus Regency, Central Java, Indonesia, to mark the start of fasting in the month of Ramadan. Menara Kudus Mosque is usually the center of the crowd at this event. According to tradition, the name Dandangan is taken from the sound of the mosque drum when it is played to mark the beginning of the fasting month. Initially, Dandangan was a tradition of gathering students in front of the Menara Kudus Mosque every time before Ramadan to wait for the announcement from Sunan Kudus regarding the determination of the start of fasting. Furthermore, this opportunity was also used by traders to sell around the mosque, so that is now known to the public as a night market that is available every Ramadan. At this celebration, a variety of goods are sold, and nowadays, various sponsors from a number of large industries are often included. However, there is one toy that is always associated with this festival, namely the head of Barungan Gembong Kamijoyo. In addition, various cultural events such as tambourines and parades are also held. Kirab Dandangan, which displays the potential of a number of villages in Kudus, such as the visualization of Kiai Telingsing, Sunan Kudus, Kudus Traditional House, Batil, and Batik. The kirab starts from Jalan Kiai Telingsing to the object base in the Menara Kudus complex on the Jalan Sunan Kudus, about 3 kilometers away. The recorded number of participants in the Pandangan Parade was around hundreds of participants from artists, community, and student groups. The climax of the activity was filled with theatrical history of the Dandangan celebration. Bukaluwur. Bukaluwur is a form of relationship between Islam and local traditions. The Kudus community has many unique traditional ceremonies. For example, Dandangan, Mulusan, Masin Forest, and Bukaluwur. Bukaluwur in Kudus can be found in two places, namely in Muria and at the Masjid Menara. Bukaluwur at Muria in commemoration of the death of Sunan Muria, while Bukaluwur at the Masjid Menara is in commemoration of the death of Sunan Kudus. This religious phenomenon is a manifestation of human attitudes and behavior concerning things that are considered scared, and origination from something unseen. On this occasion, we will talk about the tradition of the ritual opening of the Holy Sunan Kudus place. Organizing a memorial service for people who have died has become a very strong tradition, especially for the deceased, who is a well-known figure in the field of the religion and daily life. This is evidenced by the existence of a ceremony that is considered sacred by the Kudus community, namely the tradition Bukaluwur ceremony, all of which are packaged in an interesting ceremony. Bukaluwur is a ceremony to commemorate the death of Sunan Kudus, or called Kaul, which is held every 10th of Muharram or 10 Surah. This is because on that date it is considered sacred. However, according to a Kudus elder who became a scholar respected by the Kudus community, namely Kiai Haji Ma'aruf Asnawi, who is approximately 90 years old, said that the Bukaluhur ceremony was actually in the context of Kaul Mbah Sunan Kudus, which is indeed the 10th of Muharram or 10th Surah is the date of his death. Chronologically, the process of Bukaluhur ceremony actually begins with the purification of the heirloom in the form of a keris believed to belong to Sunan Kudus, which was carried out long before the 10th of Surah, namely at the end of Besar. Usually they use water used to wash the keris, which in Javanese is called kolo. Is fought over by the people who have the keris to wash the keris, because they are taking the blessing from the Holy Sunan. Then on the first of Surah, the mosquito net or white cloth covering the tomb was removed. The mosquito net or white cloth is what is called luwur. The mosquito net or white cloth used to cover the grave has become a struggle for the community to get a blessing. According to Kiai Haji Ma'aruf Asnawi, there was a time when the mosquito net or white cloth covering the grave was not replaced. Then a fire broke out of the mosquito net. On the morning of the 10th of Muharram, after Fajr prayer, a replacement for the mosquito net or the white cloth begins, which begins with the recitation of the Holy Quran and Tahlil, which is only specifically followed by Kiai. Then begins the installation of the mosquito net. At the same time, there was a distribution of food in the form of rice and cooked meat at the public, which were wrapped in the thick leaves. People take pains to get the rice and meat because these foods are considered to have blessings and contain many properties to cure disease, even if they only get a little. This rice is commonly referred to as Sego Mbah Sunan. After the events of replacing the mosquito nets and distributing the rice, the open luwur ceremony ended. Talking about the traditional about Bukaluhur ceremony, of course, cannot be separated from the cultural context. The link between culture and the society is clear. Culture regulates human life in order to understand and be able to understand how he should act and determine attitudes in relation to other people. Society and culture are constantly developing and undergoing changes in line with human civilization. Regulating relation between humans, culture establish rules about what to do, what is prohibited, and others. Based on this description, religion is clearly visible in the rice and the meat that were distributed at the installation of Luwur, namely the 10th of Muharram in the morning. And naturally, people have a strong desire to get the rice, even if only a little, because it is to get blessings. Then there is a pilgrimage by reading Tahlil, which is done by especially Kiai, which a manifestation of religion. Thank you.